welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Sorry, I wear my hat all the time. Like when I go outside, I put my hat on, and a lot of you guys loved my hat in my Dollar Tree haul. I got this for a Christmas gift, but they got it at Express because I love butterflies. I have butterfly tattoos, so I'm just obsessed with butterflies. But I think I did pretty good. I'm also going to try to do a second haul for you guys to show you guys some other deals. And I did forget to get one thing, but it's not a big deal. I will be going back and doing that deal anyways. So the first deal I got is the Crest Toothpaste. These are $2.99 a piece. You guys want to use two paper coupons from the January P&G plus a $2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying just $2.97 for all three of these. But then you guys will get a, sorry, I have them in my pile here. You guys will get a $3 register reward, and making the final price for this just a 3-cent moneymaker. You can't go wrong with free toothpaste. So I had to show you guys that deal. That's probably one of my favorite deals, and I'm really loving this toothpaste right now. The next deal I got is diapers, because my son still refuses to be potty trained, and we're hoping that after all these diapers that I got this week, after we run out, we'll be done. We're getting really good, you know. But these were 2 for $18, so $9 a piece. You guys want to use 4 $2 off coupons. Now you guys can print them off Pick the Values. You guys can print them off Scott brand. There's other places you guys can print them off. So I ended up having 3 of the little mover coupons. So there is, what I really love is there's a $5 off, like digital, there's a digital coupon code in here, and there's like 8 CDs or digital CDs that you guys can get, and I've already got like most of them, but I love it. But I got 3 of those little mover coupons, and then I had a digital Huggies Snug and Dry. So I wish I had more of these because there's 21. Towards this one you get 18, but can't go wrong with that. So you guys want to use 4 of those $2 off coupons. You guys would just pay $28, but then you guys will get a $10 register reward, making the final price for this just 18 bucks or $4.50 a package, which is an okay deal. It just depends on how badly you guys need diapers. So like I said, my son just is anti-diaper, just anti-going potty lately, and I'm like, maybe we just need a couple more diapers. So I got 4 packs of those. I did the Venus razors. I don't know why I didn't do the math for this. I did it for the Mach 3, but not for these. But these were, I think, $7.99 or $8.99. I think they were $7.99. And you guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that is in the January P&G. You guys would end up paying $9.98 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 register reward. So we got that. You guys would end up getting this for free. Can't go wrong with razors. So I plan on getting a lot more razors for this week. I did Febreze because I'm really like stocking up on Febreze. I like stocking up on this stuff. Plus, this is great stuff to have when people are going through my stockpile. So these were 2 for $6. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon in the January P&G. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. And I got Hawaiian Aloha freshener, and then I got Moonlight Breeze. And I wish there's like a scratch and sniff thing, but can't go wrong with those. The next deal I got is the Tic Tacs. Now these were on sale for 99 cents. We do have those 50-cent off coupons that you guys can use that do expire in a couple days. I didn't have any more of those, but when they were online at one time, I just printed off a bunch of those, so I still had some printable coupons for 50 cents off. and you guys would just get this for 49 cents. And I ended up getting a flavor before that I have never tried, Strawberry Field, so I'm excited to try these Tic Tacs. And then the next deal I got is the Post cereal, or not Post, yeah, Honey Bunches of Oats. I got with almonds and I got honey roasted. These were $2 a piece, so 2 for $4. There was no coupons for it, so you guys would pay $4 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate for this one on Ibotta and a 75-cent rebate on this one. If you guys buy both of them, you guys get a $1 bonus, making the final price for these just 75 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal if you guys want to do that. So I'm debating if I should submit my receipt today or submit it tomorrow because of the new month, but I think I'm going to do it today just because it might be gone tomorrow. It's hard to say. But that was my haul. I ended up doing 2 transactions. I did one with the diapers separately. So that was $22.60. Yeah, I kind of used points, but I ended up paying $22.60. Now, do remember, I do get a discount. So I ended up getting that $10 register reward. So that came to $12.60 for the final price for all that stuff, which is a great deal. Then my other transaction, I paid $15. It came out to $15.49, but I paid with points, so it's a different story. I ended up getting a $10 registry reward, a $3 registry reward. I also hit beauty, so that was 5,000 points. Then I got the 75 cent, and the $1 Ibotta rebate, so it comes out to be a $5.01 moneymaker. If you combine both of them, they come out to be $7.59 for everything, which is an awesome deal. Basically, you got 14 items at 54 cents a piece. You can't go wrong with 54 cents diapers. I know a lot of you guys might not need diapers, but I couldn't pass that up. So if you guys enjoyed this Walgreens haul, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys Tuesday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.